Hi. Say hello. I love you. I love you.
Say hello. Hello. Hello.
I am here. It's a pretty song. Sing a song.
How did you do that? Wow, what a bird. He gets scared of it. He doesn't know what it is. That's amazing. Did you see it? Pretty tasty.
No, it wasn't a Gambino. I can't think now.
I know the good.
I love you.
I love you. Say pretty bird. Who's pretty?
Hi. Hello.
Who's a pretty bird?
I love you. Hello.
Wow. Meow. He's a cat. Meow.
Meow. You can cat do it. Meow. Meow. I love you. Hello. I love you. That was a pretty song. I love you. You can say it, Birdie. I love you.
That's amazing.
Just leave it on here. To call him Richie the Boot. Now I remember.
Hi.
Back to Richie the Boot. I already know why the nicknames.
Really getting into territory.
One time, Marcy had a
That name is still around, right? There's another Richie the Boot out there.
I love you.
There's another Richie the Boot.
Come on, it's nice. The sun goes down.
Come on, say it. You said it before.
play the cards down my
Hello.
house.
Danielle.
His
Hi, Danielle. You can say it. I have faith in you.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
I love you.
The cops came by, but they never arrested
You know, I used to make a kid orange. And then every time you look,
Meow.
Hi. Hi.
one night I went in there to play the slot machine. I got $50 on it. I got the slots for about $300. And I sit down playing blackjack.
Hi.
And I got like almost $3.
Hi.
Do you like my finger? I like your face. I love you.
Come on, say it. Say it.
The viewers at home are waiting for it, Parrot.
Come
I love you.
on. Parrot. Love you.
I love you. Whoa, what is this bird doing to my hand? I love you.
Plus, if she goes home with no finger.
What was that? I love you. Say it louder. I love you. You said it. Good birdie. I love you. I love you. Birdie, Birdie, I love you. That's my finger. You can have it because I like you. I love you. You're a cute birdie. He said it. Aristotle, I love you. I love you. I love you, Parrot. Can I have my... Oh, whoa, Parrot. I love you. You can say it. I love you. I love you. Oh, now it's not playing with me anymore. I love you. Meow. 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 I love you. Meow. I love you.
Do I have enough trees?
I love you.
I've only poured a cream, right?
You can do it.
Oh, it's big and it's
I love you, Birdie. I love you, Birdie. I love you. Fine, you're mean. Bye, Birdie. He does. We said it earlier. I love you. Say bye, Birdie. Oh.
You can't play with Burger because you get yelled at. He's yelling at you.
What does that mean? Hi, Birdie.
Oh, he said that.
Bye, Birdie.